Hey guys, welcome to Budgie Antics, and today we're going to make a video on an interesting topic. Budgie nutrition needs that you're probably missing in your Budgie's diet. So let's get right into it. Let's start with what most of us feed. Greens like spinach, coriander, and things like that, right? And maybe some egg food along the way. But here's the catch, your Budgie needs even more. So to help your Budgie with its vitamin deficiencies, we'll watch this video till the end to get all the information you need. Let's get right into it. I actually noticed some puffy areas near my Budgie's eyes. Can you see it? That is a sign of a vitamin A deficiency. Other deficiencies include things like vitamin A, calcium, iodine, and a variety of diet. Seeds, especially millet, are like candy to Budgies. They're addictive but low in nutrients. Spinach is rich in iron but also has oxalates which block calcium, which is also very important to Budgie health. And if your Budgie hates red bell peppers, you are missing out on one of the biggest vitamin A helpers. But you can still do something. For example, you can mash potatoes and mix it with their egg food. Or giving them kale, collard, and even dandelion leaves instead of spinach. You can also crush pellets and put them in your Budgie seed diet in case they don't eat the pellets you mix in their seed diet. So I didn't straight up just change them. Instead, I disguised them. For example, I crushed the pellets and mixed them with their seed diet instead of just changing their seed diet to pellets. I switched spinach for kale, dandelion leaves, and collard. It's not that hard to just disguise them instead of completely change them. So do that instead. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.